Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. So in today's video I am going to tell you about exam preparation, basic exam preparation tips which is important for all the levels, whether it is A1 level, B1, C1, any level. So just make note of important things. First of all, I will tell you about expression part, speaking skills. You know, German examination consists of 4 different parts: reading, writing, speaking and listening. These 4 parts essential and you have to pass all the 4 skills. These are also called language skills: reading, writing, speaking, listening. You have to pass, okay, these all skills, only then you will get certificate. How can you pass this? How can you prepare yourself for this language examination, especially German language examination? Many of you are facing problem. You have learned the level, you have finished your levels, but now you are facing the problem. How can you prepare yourself for the speaking skills? First of all, let me tell you, all those who are new to this channel, every day we conduct live classes in the evening, Indian time, 8 p.m. onwards. You can join us. Anyone can join us. If you have subscribed the channel, you will get notification and you can immediately join us and learn with us, where I teach different topics every day. Anyway, so how can you practice for the speaking skills? This is our first topic. So speaking skills is very, very important. For that you must have very good vocabulary. Vocabulary is the base, is the fundamental of any language. Suppose I am speaking English, I speak Hindi, I speak German. I have plenty of words, I have sufficient vocabulary in my mind, only then I am able to speak. If I am talking to you here, I have vocabulary, I have sufficient number of words in my mind, verbs, noun, adjectives, sentence formation, I know. Same goes for the German. If you are a beginner, you must know how to make sentences. You should have good vocabulary in your mind, at least 100 words. This is the minimum if you have just started the language. And if you are in B1 level or B2 level, you must have thousands of words in your mind. If I give you 5 minutes time and ask you, write words in German, how many words you can write? Do this practice every day. Set the timer and just take only 5 minutes and write down the words that you know, any word in German. And then you see how many words you know. This is a very good practice. After 15 days, do this again and repeat this. Okay, after frequent interval, proper interval. Then after 1 month, you will see that you have been learning and you can check yourself, you can check your vocabulary. This is the best way, okay? You are your best judge. You know your capacity, you know your understanding level better than any other person. Second thing, once you memorize these words, then make sentences. Now the main problem is what type of sentences? Again, randomly, think in English or in your regional language and make sentences. Whatever comes to your mind, write first in English or in your regional language and then translate into German. Just start with the 10 words, only 10 words initially, and then see, are you able to translate all the sentences? Initially, you may not be able to translate all. Suppose you have written 10 sentences in English, you cannot 10 if you are a beginner. If you are in B1 level, I would say you can write at least 80% sentences correctly that you think in your regional language. Whatever type of sentence, I am not saying any particular sentence, any type, just write randomly and then translate into German. So this is also very good practice. Do this every day, 10 sentences. Second thing, you can write a short paragraph. You can write a short note, short text. Same practice, write in English and then translate into German. If you are a beginner, then what type of sentences you can write? I'll give you example. This is Rohan. He is my friend. He lives in Pune. He is learning German. He is 20 years old. His father is very nice. He wants to become doctor. He is not working. His hobbies are playing football and listening to music. These are the sentences that you can write if you are in A1 level. If you are in B1 level, again I give you some examples. Next week I go to the supermarket. I will buy something that I need. Yesterday I saw in the kitchen there was not sufficient grocery. I will go next week because next Monday is free. I don't work on Monday. I will go along with my friend. He always asks me that we should go together somewhere for shopping. I think this is the nice idea. We can go together and buy something. I am also planning to watch a film together. These kind of sentences you can write in English and then translate into German. And then you see, are you able to frame, are you able to translate correctly these sentences? If the answer is yes, you are perfect. Then after 2 days, not every day, after 2 days, learn some more words and then repeat the same thing. If your level is B2 or above, you can think accordingly in English and then write. This is the best way of practicing. And then you realize after 1 month, I'll give you the time of 1 month, you will see your level. And you can speak well, you can read well, and the most important thing, you will get confidence, you will gain the confidence. So what I am trying to say is that practice is very important. Everyday practice is very important. There is no comparison, there is no shortcut for that. If you practice hard, 3 to 4 hours per day after classroom teaching, after your regular class, 3 to 4 hours per day, you can have very good command over the language just within 1 month. Yes, within 1 month. It's all about practice. And if you will not practice every day after the class, you will not study at all. Sometimes you don't open the book. You don't know what happened yesterday in the class. And it keeps going on till a week, till 5 days, because you have excuses. You have excuses. We are all human and we know how to give excuse. And this is your weakness. Don't give excuse. Accept that you are not giving sufficient time. We all have 24 hours. Nobody has more than that. Nobody has less than that. You have to do your time management. You have to take out the time. It's your responsibility because you have joined the course. You have decided to make your career. So it's your responsibility. You are responsible for this. Okay, so be careful. Now come to the listening part. Hören. Very, very important, very essential. More than 50% students face difficulty in listening skills. This I am saying from my personal experience of teaching. I have been teaching for last 10 years and I have seen personally students have problem in listening skills. How can you improve that? You get CD, DVD at the back of your textbook. Have you ever listened to that? No. Okay, no problem. You have smartphone, Android or iPhone. You have YouTube application. And every day you use minimum 30 minutes YouTube. You can search A1 level Hören, B1 level Hören. Simple. And put the headphone. Whether you are on the way or you are at home, utilize the time. Listen to them. Listen to whatever is there. Just listen. Don't try to understand. Don't stress yourself, just listen. Because this is the beginning. This is your first day of listening. With the passage of time, you will understand. Definitely you will understand. But you have to do this every day, without a single break. Everyday practice is must if you want to improve listening skills. So, for speaking, for writing, or speaking, you have to give everyday time. You have to spend time. You have to make your time management. You know better. How can you manage your time? Similarly, on Google, search DW Nachricht. Langsam gesprochene Nachricht. Langsam gesprochene Nachricht. Second, DW Nachricht. Deutsche Welle Nachricht. News. Listen to them. Here you will get also text written. Read the text and listen. You understand better. This you can do. This is sufficient, but you must try. Then comes to the reading section. Listen. In order to improve reading skills, you must read something, whether your textbook, your workbook, or any other storybooks. There are storybooks available. Below in the description you will find so many books. Just buy online and read them. If you are using too much mobile phone or laptop, again search the Google German language text A1 level, German language test B2 level or C1 level. Read them. Or online German news. Read them. Again you will have problem. You cannot understand the sentences. Then download application in the mobile phone, dict.cc, or any other application. Just search in Play Store, German dictionary. You know everything. I am not telling something special new, something strange, something unique. These are the things that you know, you are aware. Just I am trying to motivate you somehow, because you have been following my channel, you have been watching my videos, and you must be surprised. How do I manage to write? How can I remember so many words? It's not difficult for me. As I said, I have been teaching over 10 years, and every day I do live class. I teach you, and through this process I also learn. And when you are in B1 or B2 level, I must say, if you have a flair of teaching, if you want to make your career in teaching, start teaching someone. Start teaching someone. Not just you want to make money, you want to improve yourself. You can improve your German language skills, but do this honestly and with passion. Don't do this just because of money, because teaching profession is very demanding. It requires regular practice, regular study. If you are fond of learning, if you have a flair of writing, if you have interest in reading books, you must choose this profession, and it will definitely enhance your skills. I have personally improved myself a lot after teaching. So you can also do the same. So that's all in this video.